whatever to me, but I'm gonna try and pretend that it's a big deal because there's a hype, so we gotta fulfill that hype. So last night I did my nails. They actually look pretty good. Like, it looks like I kind of got them done. The reason I didn't want to get them done is because I don't like when people touch me. Like, when strangers, it makes me uncomfortable. It's not focusing, but yeah, there they are. The plan for today. Okay, so I originally was gonna do my own hair, but then I practiced it and it turned out really bad. So I'm getting my hair done at 12 by Kaylee. She's the one who dyes my hair, cuts my hair. Yeah, I literally trust her with my entire life. So she's doing my hair today and I'm not even sure what I want to do with my hair yet. It's so bad. My dress has like a high neck, like up to here. So I don't want my hair covering my dress because it's all like lacy and really pretty. And my dress is gonna look prettier than this face. So like we gotta show off the dress so people don't look at our face. But then last year I did an updo, so I don't know if I want to do an updo again. And I also have a headband too that I bought, a flowery headpiece thing for my dress. So yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing in my hair and I'm going in 3 hours. So this is a super long intro of me just in bed, but I'm super comfortable. But I look super beat. I'm gonna shower, put on whitening strips for my teeth. I've been using Crest 3D white strips, whatever they're called, and they were on sale for 20 bucks, and usually those things are like $80, and I was really shook. They've been doing really good. My teeth are really white, so I'm gonna do one more this morning. Anyways, yeah, gonna go do that now. I'm like really bad at recording my morning because like I'm just trying to get ready here and stuff, but I got like the birthday thing from Sephora because it's my birthday month, and it comes with this Bite Beauty lip exfoliant and lip balm. So I did the exfoliant and then I remembered I should probably record it. I've never exfoliated my lips before, but I want them to be like smooth, obviously. This is what it looks like. There's like beads and stuff, so I did that, and now I'm putting on like the lip balm that it comes with. So my lips are prepared for later. Oh, it's really thick and sticky. Corsage and a boutonniere I ordered online.
They're both in there. There's your boutonniere and then your corsage.
Okay. I thought the flowers were pink. So we picked up the corsage and the boutonniere. They messed it up again. They also messed up last year because last year they forgot the boutonniere, so I had to wait. This year they used white roses and hot pink ribbon, and I was like, this isn't what was ordered. So they had to remake it with this like pinky peach one, but it's okay. I waited for like 20 minutes. Hey guys, so now we're into the makeup, you know? So I'm gonna spray my face with my Marbodesco. This is the cucumber and green tea one. Here's a little life hack for me. You never need to spend money on primer in your entire life. Literally just ask for samples every time you go to Sephora and you'll get them, you know? And this is the Becca Over Matte Primer. This one I heard is really good, except if you don't use it right, it turns out bad. So I might just use this one on like my really, really oily parts. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Professional Pearl Shimmer. If they fill the entire container, if you're like me, you don't wear makeup every single day, they literally last me months. Like, I never need to spend $40 on it. I got the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I used to only use powder, but now I use this because they give better results, I think. If you compare this video that you're watching now to last year's prom video, I'm so much more different on camera. I used to be so quiet and shy, talk like this, and tried to act like a professional makeup artist, but I'm really not. I don't even like makeup that much. This entire week at school, I haven't worn any makeup. Okay, here's my logic. So if I look beat, like an ugly ass little boy, like I mean I do it all the time, but like really super beat at school, then I'll just look 10 times better at prom, you know what I mean? Okay, I read on one of the reviews that it lasted this girl like It lasted this girl over an entire year because like you literally need the smallest amount of this pomade. So I'm happy about that because I like saving my money. So now we're gonna move on to foundation. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so I got a new beauty sponge. I'm not gonna call it a beauty blender because it's not a real beauty blender because I don't want to pay 30, 20, I don't know how much the real ones are. And then the Real Techniques, my Walmart didn't have any. So I got the e.l.f. ones. They're white. Like these are gonna get dirty the second. I don't understand. Yeah, I really don't even want to use them because I don't want to just make it ugly with brown, but I have to go wet it and use it. So that makes me sad. Oh, look how pretty it is. I don't want to get it dirty. Wow, okay. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. I use this for homecoming and I liked how it looked. I never ever wear foundation. The last time I wore foundation literally was for homecoming. Oh, it's so perfectly pretty. I don't want to. Okay, here we go. Why? Why do you make them white? Just make them brown. I'm so confused. I have the Maybelline Age Rewind and I have Master Concealer by, I think this is Maybelline, but I'm not sure. I don't like doing heavy contour because I have a round face, so it's not like I have prominent cheekbones, you know? So I just like to do a little bit. I probably should have done this before contour, but it's okay. I can't pronounce any of these. This light pink color and burnt orange are kind of going to be like a transition shade. If you watch my eye makeup video from last year for prom, I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. I literally just put every single color all over my eye. So far so good. I'm using the fluffier side of this brush to like fan it out more. I'm just gonna do that with burnt orange. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm literally gonna be curling my lashes for 10 minutes. Like they need to be on point because everyone's gonna have fake eyelashes, but fake eyelashes scare the living hell out of me. I'm not ever gonna wear fake eyelashes in my entire life. So we're really just gonna curl the shit out of ours. For highlighter, I'm using the Sephora Golden Hour because it's like rose gold. This is the whole look I'm going for, but then I'm also using the Tarte Goddess Glow highlighter. I'm gonna mix them because this one's more shimmery, but this one's more rosy.
My old school crush, I really wish I knew you back before I knew too much. You make me feel like a
What about Sans here? Wait, get me drinking water like a boss. Watch this. Oh! I ate an ice cream.